in the cytoplasm of egg. The classification of eggs are on the basis of
Hello, Shreya. Hello, Shreya. Please
hello.
again share and rotate your mobile horizontally so that everyone can visualize your slides.
असू दे आता.
Click to slideshow button. Okay, okay, good.
The classification of egg are on the basis of amount of yolk and the distribution of yolk. On the basis of yolk, the eggs are classified as alecital egg, in which the egg contains negligible or very less amount of yolk. For example, the egg of a placental mammal like human. The human egg is 0.1 to 0.2 millimeter in diameter. It contains very less amount of yolk. The second type of egg based on the yolk is microlecital egg. When the egg contains small or negligible amount of yolk, it is said to be microlecital egg. Rommel and Balinsky named this egg as oligolecithal egg. These types of eggs are found in amphioxus and tunicates. The next type of egg is macrolecital. One minute. Macrolecital. When the egg contains large amount of yolk, it is said to be macrolecital or megalecital. It is also called as polylecithal eggs. This type of eggs are found in the bony fishes, amphibian, reptile, birds, etc. On the mesolecital, in amphibian, diploid, and petromyzon, the amount of yolk is present in moderate and not high. Hence, these types of eggs are also named as mesolecital eggs. The eggs classified on the basis of distribution are telolecithal eggs, isolecithal eggs, and centrolecithal eggs. In telolecithal eggs, the egg contain moderate or large quantity of yolk. It is concentrated more toward vegetal pole. The type of egg in which yolk is concentrated towards one pole is called as telolecithal egg. The telolecithal eggs are further divided into three types: slightly telolecithal, moderately telolecithal, and extremely telolecithal. In slightly telolecithal egg, this egg contain only a small quantity which is distributed unevenly and has higher concentration to vegetal pole and lower concentration to animal pole. These types of fishes are found These types of eggs are found in the fishes. And moderately telolecithal egg contain a moderate quantity of yolk, which is distributed unevenly. Uh, in this type of egg, in this type of egg, vegetal hemisphere and nucleus are shifted towards animal and yolk is shifted towards vegetal hemisphere and nucleus is shifted toward animal hemisphere due to high concentration. This type of eggs are found in amphibians. Extremely telolecithal egg. In the extremely telolecithal egg, due to heavy deposition of yolk, the entire vegetal hemisphere and major portion of the animal hemisphere are occupied by yolk. Due to extremely uneven distribution of yolk, the ooplasm and nucleus are displaced towards the animal pole. In
Yes, you're audible. Continue.
Hello.
Yes. Ha, Shreya, you are audible. Please continue.
Uh, the isolecithal egg. Isolecithal eggs are classified on the basis of distribution of fuel. In the isolecithal egg, when ooplasm or the cytoplasm having even or uniform distribution of yolk granule, then it is called as isolecithal eggs. For example, these eggs are found in the amphioxus. And next one is centrolecithal egg. When the in centrolecithal egg, the yolk granules concentrated in the center of the egg and it is surrounded by clear cytoplasm. These types of eggs are found in the insect. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. If there are any questions, then please you can ask.
Hello.
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 Okay.
Hello.
हा
Hello.
हा आवाज येतोय मॅडम बोला. बोला बोला.
One question is there. Define the alecythal egg.
The egg
Shreya.
containing negligible or very less amount of yolk is called as alecithal or alecithal egg.
Okay. The telolecithal egg is found in.
Telolecithal eggs are found. It
Found
is,
in.
madam, it is found in amphibians, fishes, reptilian or avian.
And last question is there. The macrolecithal and megalecithal. It is called as.
Macrolecithal
And megalecithal egg. It is called as. And or macrolecithal or megalecithal egg. It is called as.
and
काय म्हणतात अजून त्याला?
polylecithal egg.
Polylecithal.
हाँ.
And the
Macrolith
human.
or megalecithal.
Okay, the human egg is dash dash mm in diameter.
0.1 to 0.2 mm in diameter.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
Hello,
Hello.
madam कुठे आहेत? Hello,
हा बोला मॅडम.
हा विचारा question.
Okay. Shreya, tell me what is the function of a yolk?
Hello. Yolk.
Yes.
Ma'am, it
You
is
have described.
a nutritive substance. Hello.
And what is mean? Yes, yes. Yes, you are audible. What is mean by lecithal? What is mean by lecithal?
Let's
Microlecithal, megalecithal, mesolecithal. So what is mean by lecithal?
let's
If anyone knows answer, then you can share your answers. Shreya, tell me which is the type of this egg
Huh?
and which is the type of this egg? What is the type of egg A and what is the type
मॅडम
of
आवाज
egg
कट
B?
होतोय तुमचा.
Hello. Slide दिसते का? शेअर केलेला व्हाईट हे दिसते का? व्हाईट बोर्ड दिसतो का?
B.
हॅलो. हा, डायग्राम्स काढलेले दिसतात का? त्यातलं मला फक्त ए टाईप ऑफ एग आहे ते कुठल्या टाईप मध्ये आहे तुला जे सांगितलंस ते, आणि बी टाईप ऑफ एग आहे ते कुठल्या टाईप मध्ये आहे? ओके. हा श्रेया, इमेज इमेज परत काढायला पाहिजे का? हॅलो. हॅलो.
हॅलो.
हॅलो मॅडम, मगाशी तुमचा आवाजच येत नव्हता.
स्क्रीन तर दिसते का शेअर केलेली? स्क्रीन तर दिसते का शेअर केलेली? शेअर केलेली स्क्रीन
नाही.
दिसते का? व्हाईट बोर्ड दिसतो का?
नाही. हॅलो.
Okay, so suppose this is the egg A and this is a type A and egg B. This is the yolk and this is the yolk.
A1 is ma'am microlecythal.
And B1?
And
नाही.
well,